Guangzhou Nulink Technology Co., Ltd. was established in 2018 and is located in Guangzhou. It is a branch of Hejiang Bolaju Technology Co., Ltd. Guangzhou Nulink is mainly in charging overseas market, and Bolaju focus on Chinese domestic market and production. We specialize in the R&D and production of circuit breakers, miniature breakers, DC-molded case circuit breakers, AC-molded case circuit breakers, molded case recloser circuit breakers, busbar circuit breakers, busbar recloser circuit breakers, busbar miniature circuit breakers, etc. We provide high-quality low-voltage electrical products and solutions for industries such as electric power, communications, new energy, construction,
metallurgy, petrochemicals, and machinery manufacturing,
and offer ODM and OEM services for major well-known electrical brands. We also focus on the development and application of various smart data platform systems, providing high-quality, safe, and cost-effective solutions for the power distribution systems of various enterprises and projects. Integrating R&D, production, sales, and service, we pursue the safety of users and the satisfaction of customers.